Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to add two or more numbers in Excel. There are two different methods are available in Excel. Let us try to understand them. So first of all, let us open an Excel sheet. I have already put some data here. So these are the numbers which I have taken. And now let us first do a summation for these vertical numbers. So just put the cursor on the cell just in the last and then click on auto sum tab and press enter. So you will get the summation for this B row B2 to B7, cell B2 to B7. This is 6933 is the summation. Similarly, if you want to do summation for this horizontal numbers, series of horizontal numbers, then also similar way you can put the cursor on the next cell in the last and then press auto sum and press enter. You will get the number. Now there is another way is there to do this, that is by going through the formula tab. So in formula tab also, let us say you want to do the summation of these four numbers from B2 to B7 in, let us say, cell B10. So go here and then you have to go for this insert function tab, insert function, press it here. Automatically this insert function pop-up window will open. In this you have to choose the sum. Here also you can get all the formulas available once you select the drop down category. Select a category in this one. Once you select it as a all, you will get all the formulas in this one. So we are in due course we are going to discuss each and every formula from this Excel, and because it's very helpful in all the data work. So choose the sum function from here. Here is it, sum. So we have chosen and then select the numbers which you are going to add up. And this gives me the ultimate answer. Similarly, if you can look at it again, so I delete it. You can simply press equal to in this cell to activate the formula, and then I'll take the sum function from here. Now in this one you can sum n number of series from this one. So let us take number 1. We select from B2 to B8, and in number 2 we select from C to whatever be the number we have. It will give me the summation for these entire numbers. Another method is a little bit manual, in that you have to put equals to and then go for selecting the cells B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus B7, and this gives me the answer. So auto sum and using the formula is far better, and it saves a lot of our time in comparison to going by this lengthy method. Then take an example. Instead of only a single row, single column, let us say you have n number of rows are there. Then how to go for it? Let us assume that these are the total data available, and you need a summation of all the datas. So that can be done by clicking auto sum and selecting the entire table. This will give us the entire sum. Another key feature in Excel is when let us say you don't want to do the summation here and just want to quickly check what is the total of this cell. So you select the entire data whose summation you want to know, and if you come in the bottom ribbon, you will find that the summation has been given here, 12564, which is equal to this one. So that is another way to get the summation. I hope you like this video. This is my first video, and I understand that it is a very simple video, but in the due course we are going to cover many other formulas which are going to make your life easier. Thank you. Have a good day.